right, so now that we have it at our final resting place here, I did want to show you a couple of final things. So in the frother here, there's actually two lines at the bottom of the frother. As you can see, one says latte and one says cap for cappuccino. The actual frother is in there, the whisk. You'll put that in there and then you'll add whatever style of milk that you choose. We're gonna go up to latte level and we'll just put that there. Now you also have you have three options here. This one says cold, so you can do a cold foam. You have your latte option or your cappuccino option. We're gonna go ahead and select latte. And that is gonna go ahead and brew that up. Now the next thing is, right now, the water container is low, as you can see. And what you'll notice here is that it says low water, right? Or add water there. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to just top it off by lifting the lid, pour some water in there, and the signal goes out. So if for some reason you're trying to use it and it doesn't work, you'll notice that the light is no longer on. All right, so there's that. And the froth is almost done. Obviously, even though it's water, but you can see that the steam has generated. We're gonna go ahead and activate it by opening it, closing it. We're gonna select latte, and we'll select strong and start. So it is finishing the latte froth. There you go. It is pouring the latte coffee. Show you here. There's a little bit of steam coming off there so you can see. All right, and then the latte is done. There you go. And then all the lights will turn off, indicating that it is finished. And now you can hear it running. It's actually keeping the water warm for the next batch. So there you go. That is the unboxing and demonstration of the Keurig Cafe.